find that homeowner's address and phone number so that you can cold call or actually send them letters. Keep watching to find out more. All right, so there's such a thing called skip tracing. Skip tracing is actually locating a person's contact information, whether it's an email address, a phone number, or a mailing address, and more. So one of those tools that I personally use is going to be PropStream. And PropStream not only provides data about the different selling of the different properties that may be available for sale, whether it's through lead lists like pre-foreclosures, liens, divorces, high equity, low equity. There's a ton of lead lists that's out there on PropStream that you can actually use. And so once you find the data for the different properties that you may have filtered out, there's another way to quickly access that information, that seller's contact information, and that is through skip tracing. So the good thing about PropStream is that they have an in-house skip tracing application that you can actually use. You would load all of your information into your filters. You would select all your filters and everything, and you would load it into your list. You would take that list and then you would actually go to the skip tracing area. So I'm showing it here how you actually skip trace. It costs 12 cents. Once you actually have the input from the skip tracing list, then you would export it down to your computer or to your phone. You would take that list, you would do your mailing, you would do your cold calling, you would do whatever method that you use in order to contact your sellers. Now, what I personally do is my most effective method is going to be cold calling. It's nothing like actually talking to a person on the phone because they have a better understanding of how everything works once you're able to explain to them the process and what wholesaling actually is. You may actually have another method that actually works for you, and that's fine, but my main goal is to show you how to skip trace, and one of the ways to do that is using PropStream. It doesn't cost a lot. All you have to do is create an account. They even actually have a 7-day trial, I do believe. You go there, you go ahead and set up everything, you use your filters, and as I mentioned before, use your export, and the information is right there, and it's just that easy. So I hope the information in this video helps. I will be having training classes on how to wholesale, how to flip, I think I'm just going to start with wholesaling first. And so go ahead and drop a line in the comments that says training, and I will be glad to send you a personal link to our training courses that will be coming up. I hope the information in this video helps. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.